I first started coming up with the ideas about 5 years ago when I wasn't very well, and I needed to get the dogs fit. And since then I've been working closely with vets to make sure that the product is exactly as it needs to be for each dog. There are all sorts of people that would use a dog treadmill, from your veterinary surgeons to any rehabilitation centres to your showing individuals that train dogs for muscular and physical fitness, and then any competition work that involves, high levels of fitness and muscle tone, really.
Well, I show my dogs. We go to Crufts every year. Obviously you have to qualify. And Scarlet, my red and white setter, I do obedience, and I've got a collie who I bought to do obedience with, and I show her as well. I wanted to buy a treadmill because I do gun dog work and it's very flat around here, and I go to Scotland, so I wanted to really get her fit, and that was the reason I really wanted it. Good girl, that's it. Good girl. There you go.
The Fit for Life treadmill has all sorts of different features. We've developed a motorised incline and decline, which allows for muscle development on either the rear end or on the front end of the dog. We've also added in a safety aspect, which is a magnetic pull-away key, which can be attached to either the dog's collar or the harness. We've been working alongside closely with a veterinary surgeon who's been using it for rehabilitation, with also quite a lot of different show breeders who show on an extensive level, and they've all found it amazing in its results on rehabilitating dogs from all sorts of injuries.
We have had the benefit of this treadmill for 2.5 years, and we have been able to refine our protocols to a degree which has meant an improved rate of recovery and a better end result. The advantages are significantly different. The precision of this machine allows us to control things with infinite care and to the benefit of the individual patient. I was immediately attracted to it because I realised that it removed an onerous job for the owner to try to do what I was doing in a scientific manner, and it has made this very much simpler, and the dogs really respond to this treatment. We have been achieving better end results in a shorter space of time, and some of the improvements we've had have been dramatic.
I would sincerely recommend that any veterinary surgeons, professional breeders, trainers or kennel owners, if they really want to give their dogs an extra fitness regime or have any extra benefits of allowing a dog to rehab in under controlled conditions, to try one of the Fit for Life treadmills. And any domesticated dogs, if they want, their owners particularly want them to have something extra or help perhaps decrease the overweight problem, to also try a Fit for Life treadmill.